In this video, I want to share a technique that I like to call the staple trick. It's something I picked up a few years ago while working at an upholstery shop, and it's been a major game changer for me. For the sake of demonstration, I'm using a plier stapler, but a regular stapler works too. I'm currently working on a buttonless tufting project, and because I'm working with vinyl, I really want to avoid multiple attempts at matching seams. Now, for the technique itself, the first thing I do is align the seams so that they match with right sides facing together. Next, while pinching the seam as close to the sew line as possible, I want to flip the fabric over to check the seam alignment on the other side. If the junction looks good, I just flip back over and staple inside of the seam allowance. And I like to staple about 1/8 of an inch away from the sew line when working with vinyl. This way I don't cause any unsightly puncture holes on the right side of my fabric so that the end product looks great. Because I find repetition very helpful when learning something new, I wanted to show that technique up close for both the first and second rows. After this, I just sew the seam, then remove the staple with a pair of pliers, and that's it. I love this technique for matching seams, but it's also handy for matching notches, patterns, prints, and just stabilizing fabric layers in general. I really hope this technique makes a world of difference for someone else. If this is helpful, please let me know. I would love to get some feedback. Okay, bye.